up guys, Jared with another video. Hope you're all having a great day. And we are in the parking garage, the same one as we had the Maserati last time I was here. We got the 458, this thing's great. I love it, super fun to drive around here, except for the traffic. This looks pretty bad. But anyways, what I want to do with this video is talk about, making life decisions as a young person. It's a tough thing to do. Our brains aren't fully developed as young people. I don't remember the exact age of when your brain fully develops, but it's definitely not where I'm at now. And if you're in high school, you have all these goals, aspirations. You want to drive a car like this. You want to own a car. You want to own a giant mansion, all these materialistic things, or even mindset goals. Anything that you want. You have to set your mind to these things to actually make plans and achieve them. Because, if you want to own a car like this isn't my car. I don't own it. It's my friend Chris's car. But if I did own this, or I wanted to own this, I would have to create a plan and execute on that plan of how I was going to achieve that. I was either going to get a job or I was going to start a business, all these things. But really, if you want to achieve big things like this, make a difference, like all these other cars, you don't see any other Ferraris around here. This is standing out, and we're in the middle of Miami, a place where there's multiple foreign exotic cars, rich people everywhere. But the thing is, if you want to stand out, you have to work harder than these other people. Because people that are all around here, they work 9 to 5s. I mean, not everybody around here, but I mean just in general, as a broad term around America, around the world, is that these people, they work from 9 to 5, and they're, fine with their jobs. They make, amount of money that's sustainable, something that they can live with, something that they can afford, their nice little Honda. They can afford a nice little house for their family. They can feed themselves and have a little bit of extra money to spend on other things that they want in life. But if you want to have a lot of spending money, things where you can buy cars like this or own giant houses, you have to work differently than all these other people. You have to figure out whether you're going to, take the stand as a CEO in this big company, or you're going to, invest in something that's very lucrative and makes you a lot of money, or you're going to start these businesses that make you a lot of money. It takes time and it takes knowledge in order to achieve that. So everything that you start, I know a lot of you guys hit me up, you're like, what's going on, man? I've had this business for 2 weeks and I'm not making money now. If you want to actually make money, you actually have to spend time, work for it, and let it happen. You can't just, focus everything right in the first minutes that you start your business, because it's not going to happen immediately. Success takes time. That's why you see everybody else that is really successful. They say it takes time to get to where they are. Whether you are at a place where you've made $1 million or you've made $100 million, it takes time depending on your situation. So if you want to achieve something, set goals, make a plan, figure out how you're going to do it, whether you're going to start a business or you're going to invest in something, look at the options, test multiple different options and figure out what works. And most of all, don't listen to what other people say if you don't have to. Because one thing I was really scared of, I'm nervous around people, or I'm nervous talking in front of other people, but now, I've been able to overcome that because I have things that I have to do, and in order to get them done, I have to overcome those fears, or not necessarily fears, but things that I don't really like. You have to get out of your comfort zone, and when you're trying something, you start a YouTube channel, or you say you want to buy this car, and people are like, oh, you can't afford that car, you don't know what you're doing, or, you can't make a YouTube channel, you're not funny, you're not smart, how are you going to do that? Then you can't listen to them. You're going to get doubters, you're going to get people that don't want you to win. They don't want you to succeed in life. But if you really want to get to where you want, don't listen to them. At first, you're probably going to listen to them and let it get to you. That's how I was. But after a little while, you don't really hear it anymore. It's sort of silent, or it gets a little bit funny to you because you see these people talking all this trash to you, whether it's on social media or in person, and you learn to just deal with it. It happens. If you're successful at any sort of rate, or you have these big aspirations and big goals, then people are going to judge you for that. So you have to learn how to overcome that, not let these people affect your mindset, and continue to grind, work hard, and don't let other people decide decisions for you. If you have these decisions, these goals you want to make, decide them for yourself. Figure it out and get it done. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.